You've nailed down your risk management and mastered the basics. Now you're looking to scale your trading with serious data and automation. But upgrading your platform means making a binding commitment to a specific technological ecosystem. It's a choice you have to live with. The ecosystem you pick permanently dictates the coding languages you'll use, the brokers you can access, and the execution speeds you'll get. We are skipping over the basic indicators today to look strictly at the core DNA of the two heavyweights, MT5 and cTrader. This quadrant chart plots the platforms across two axes, ecosystem scale and execution transparency. Right now, the data points for MT5 and cTrader are blurred out. Before we can plot them, you must be honest about your specific 3 to 5 year career goals. Choose the wrong platform, and you will constantly fight your own infrastructure. Choose the right one, and you protect your entire trading career. MT5 was built as a multi-asset powerhouse. Its entire philosophy relies heavily on third-party developer integrations. This gives you direct access to the MQL5 marketplace, which is the largest global repository of custom trading tools available. The trade-off is time. You have to test and integrate all these external tools yourself, which can leave you with a slightly disjointed daily workspace. cTrader takes the opposite approach. Its design is entirely trader-centric, focusing on native workflow efficiency right out of the box. From day one, you get an intuitive interface featuring fluid multi-charting and built-in advanced order types without having to install anything extra. However, cTrader operates within a significantly smaller external marketplace, meaning you'll find fewer hyper-specific pre-built tools for purchase. MT5 rewards the patient system builder willing to curate their tools, while cTrader rewards the trader who demands immediate, frictionless efficiency. When you start building automated strategies, the biggest initial hurdle is the specific coding language required by each platform. For MT5, you have to dedicate time to learning its proprietary MQL5 language, which comes with a steep learning curve. The return on that time investment is access to MT5's colossal multi-threaded strategy tester, which allows you to run deep, complex backtesting optimizations. Because so many major prop firms run on this infrastructure, MQL5 fluency is effectively a mandatory requirement for broad compatibility. Over on cTrader, the automation environment is called cAuto, and it is built entirely on the modern industry-standard C# language. Using C# gives you highly readable code that easily integrates with external, non-trading libraries, opening doors for things like machine learning models. The trade-off is that cTrader's backtesting environment lacks the sheer multi-threaded optimization brute force you get with MT5. Your choice here depends entirely on whether you prioritize universal prop firm access via MQL5 or modern coding agility via C#. For advanced traders, the most critical technical division between these two platforms comes down to execution models and liquidity visibility. MT5 standardizes its execution through an aggregated depth of market model. Aggregated liquidity takes multiple broker data points and combines them into a single, generalized price representation. This structure allows MT5 universal compatibility with global brokers. But there's a cost. Aggregating the feed blurs visibility into exact volumes from specific liquidity providers. cTrader utilizes a pure ECN and STP environment designed for absolute data clarity. Instead of solid bars, Level 2 depth of market reveals individual limit orders stacked within the market, displaying specific volumes. This absolute transparency allows highly precise entries. The trade-off: you're strictly limited to curated premium ECN brokers capable of supporting this raw data feed. Your choice of execution model ultimately determines whether your strategy relies on reading generalized market flow or exploiting precision micro-liquidity. After analyzing the infrastructure, the final platform choice comes down to identifying your primary operational identity. This decision tree outlines the two distinct trader profiles that dictate which ecosystem you should align with. The first profile is the systems builder. If your operational goals involve passing multiple prop firm challenges, trading multi-asset classes, and utilizing deep backtesting customization, MT5 is your mandatory infrastructure. The second profile is the execution purist. If your goals rely on high-frequency scalping, Level 2 transparency, and the ability to code in modern C#, cTrader is your required precision instrument. Stop guessing and start testing. You can use FXNX right now to spin up native demo accounts for both platforms, featuring 0.0 pip spreads. The smartest input you can make today is actively testing both environments to ensure your chosen platform organically scales with your ambitions through 2026.